In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a person to be seen by all on Zoom. If you want one participant's video to stay front and center for everyone in the meeting, Zoom gives hosts a feature called Spotlight. This is especially useful for presentations, lessons, interviews, or any meeting where you want all attendees focused on a specific speaker. It's important to know that if your goal is for everyone to see the same person prominently, you'll want to use Spotlight for everyone rather than a personal pin, since pinning only changes your own view. To begin, start, or join your Zoom meeting as the host. This matters because the Spotlight feature is a host control, so you'll need the right permissions in order to make this change for the whole meeting. Once you're in the meeting, make sure the participant you want to spotlight has their video turned on. If their camera is off, Zoom won't be able to display them as the main visible speaker in the same way. So before moving forward, quickly confirm that their video feed is active and visible in the meeting window. Next, locate that participant's video tile on your screen. Depending on your Zoom layout and how many people are in the meeting, you may need to look through the gallery view to find them. Take a moment to identify the correct person before making any changes. When you find their video, move your mouse over it. Hovering over the video tile will reveal additional controls that are normally hidden to keep the screen clean and uncluttered. From there, click the three dots in the corner of the participant's video tile. This opens the video options menu, where you'll find several actions related to that participant. In the menu, select Spotlight for everyone. As soon as you do that, Zoom will place that participant's video in a prominent position for all meeting participants to see. This helps keep attention on the person you've selected and creates a more controlled viewing experience for the entire meeting. If you ever want to stop highlighting that person, go back to their video tile and click Remove Spotlight. That will return the meeting layout to its normal behavior. One quick tip before you go. This feature is best used when the spotlighted person is actively speaking or presenting, since it keeps the audience focused exactly where you want them. And that's